Hi guys, this is Shreya. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are very well, guys. So without much more delay, let's just start the video and let's see what we are having today. So as you must have seen from topic itself, guys, today's video is all about professional makeup brushes. Yeah, makeup brushes does vary. Professional makeup brushes are different and the normal makeup brushes are different. How they differ exactly is that makeup brushes, when you talk about them as in a professional way, they are considered to be very apt for the following makeup, right? You have different contour brush, you have different powder brush, you have blush brush, you have, and even for your eye makeup you have several different kind of brushes. So without going much more in the detail how the brushes are, what they are, I can even make a separate video on makeup professional brushes, that which brushes used for that. Comment down below if you want a separate video regarding makeup brushes, professional ones. So this video is not about a detail of makeup brushes, what they are, how they are, but actually what we are going to do today is the unboxing. Today I have ordered these makeup brushes from FLIPKART, as you can see, and the amount of this is, guys, rupees 350. So this is for rupees 350, and the brushes are, these are Foolzy pack of 10 professional makeup brushes. Okay guys, so they are going to be 10 professional makeup brushes. Let's see how they are exactly. Or for rupees 350 I got 10. Actually this was not for rupees 350, this I got for 60% discount or something. So let's just start it and let's just see how they are actually. Okay guys, so guys, whenever I'm going to unbox any product, I always talk about the packaging. So the packaging is pretty well good. It is nice. It is safe. As you can see, this was the box. Talking about the products, here I'm having these 10 makeup brushes. Talking about the product, how it appears on screen, how it is actually, it is exactly the same. I'm happy to see that they are exactly what I saw and according to what I ordered. It's exactly the same. I'll insert a picture so that you can see what I saw on the screen and what I got. They're exactly same, guys. Now unwrapping the sheet and just see, talk about the quality of the brushes. Guys, right now this video is about the unboxing. This is not a complete review kind of video. What I can review right now is the quality of the brushes, just partial quality of the brushes, because आपको brushes के बारे में तभी पता चलता है when you use them. Until unless you don't use a brush, and that too using it not for once is not enough to get how the brush is exactly. You have to use it like 4 or 5 times for your regular makeup so that you come to know how they are, how the pigmentation they are going to pick up from the product. So let's just see, these are actually 10 brushes. Let's see how they are. Now, okay, I'm just going to unwrap few of them. I have unwrapped. This is how it appears to be. The brand name is written over here. It's written Foolzy. Uh, Talking about the brush bristle, guys, it is really very soft. It is actually very soft. It is nice, and the size of the brush, as you can see, it is a quite handy good size. Means it's not too large, it's not even that small. So this is a good medium size brush, good for your everyday application uses, and even quite handy sort of. This is fine. Moving on to the eye brush, I want to see, because eye brush are the most needed brush for makeup, actually for professional makeup. So the eye brushes are, okay, they are, first of all I want to say, there are 4 eye brushes. Which all these are, what all these are, I can make a video. If you want, comment down below, I'll make them. So here we have 4 eye brushes, and talking about the quality, guys, it is fine. Means it's soft, it's not even that tight and not that very, sticky. It's fine, it's fluffy, it's soft. But eye brushes only, we come to know about the quality of the eye brush, especially when you're going to use it, when you're going to see how it's taking up the pigmentation, how it's, blending up the stuff. So these were the brushes, guys, 10 brushes. Talking about them, I have told you about the quality partially. If you want more about makeup brushes, about professional makeup brushes, comment down below. I'll make a separate video as soon as possible. Till the time I don't upload the next video, take care of yourself, guys. Stay fit, stay young, stay healthy. Love you all, guys. Bye bye.